Check it out. It's flowers and a deodorant. Here, give it a try.
Okay, so we're gonna go to dinner?
Oh, yeah, we'll hit up the drive-thru for sure. Hope you like sloppy joes. Gonna have to get it to go, though, because tonight we're rocking the Monster Truck Rally.
I thought we were going to the theater. Your boyfriend history report says you love the theater.
Oh, yeah, dude. I love Destructo Theater, the most rockin' truck rally ever. By the way, is it chill if my other GF comes along too?
Sometimes reports don't tell the whole story. So when you're buying a car, don't just trust a vehicle history report. Get the full story with an inspection from AIM. AIM, building the trustworthy bridge between buyers and sellers.